This is the trailhead. A lot of switchbacks through here. Excuse my breathing. It's a little bit steep, and I need to be in a little bit better shape to do this without breathing hard. Whew. But overall, it's kind of been like this. There's just a few steep spots here and there, kind of like this. Some are a little more steep than this. I don't know if you can see up there, but it goes and it'll switch back, go around and up some more. At least I'm not wheezing. At least I don't hear wheezing, but people tell me I don't hear very well, so. Here's one of the switchbacks. You probably can't tell how steep it is from the video. The camera never seems to do it justice. I do have on my new speed goats, which have excellent traction. Okay, if you're watching this, I could use a sponsor. Just kidding. Just kidding. Unless you want to. I'm just kidding. But shoes are expensive. And I go through them. See all these flags? Those are from Aloha Tree Restoration. But more on that later. Here's a water drop station for, what did I say? Aloha Tree Alliance, not restoration. I said restoration because they're on a restoration project to restore some of the natural habitat of this trail. There's been erosion and other things going on that's caused damage to the environment. Hello.
Hello.
Happy, huh? I'm slow. Here I am talking about my speed goats, and somebody just passed me in slippers, bro. What's up with that? And as there's heavy rains, the erosion not only causes damage to the environment on the trail, but that all washes into the streams that drain into the ocean, and some of that has been damaging the coral reef. At least that's what I'm being told. I am not a marine biologist, nor do I claim to know the facts behind coral reef destruction. But if you know, let me know in the comments. Starting to get to a little bit of a view here. Hard to see on the camera though. If I zoom in, it'll just focus on the tree limbs instead of what's behind it. This is a nice shady trail though. Very pleasant. And being mid-January, the weather is also very nice. It's in the, I'd say mid-70s. I haven't checked this morning, but feels like mid-70s with a slight breeze. And my breathing is getting more labored. So if you're watching this and you struggle to breathe when you hike, just know that that's normal. It's okay. Don't let that prevent you from getting out there. All right, break's over. I've gone a little bit, and I've started smelling smoke. I don't know if it's fog from the volcano on the Big Island, or if there is a fire going on. All of this is really dry. It's pine needles that have fallen. And I don't know which way the trail is. The sign just pointed this way. Oh, here we go. There's the sign. All right. We're on the right track. I am a little worried about forest fires right now, because the wind's picking up and I have seen from the videos how quick it can spread. I didn't turn on my tracker this time, so I have no idea what the elevation gain is. Hey there, morning. Lots of shade on this hike, so good for a sunny day. I think even in the summer this one wouldn't be too bad. The infamous picnic table. The trail goes on up that way, but right now I'm gonna take a break. All right, back at it. It's been uphill most of the way. Kind of starting to level out here for a second. I hear there's stairs in this trail. I don't know how steep they are, but I'm a little nervous because I don't think I drank enough water yesterday. And I'm starting to feel some effects of dehydration. So I'm gonna take another break. There's some benches here. I'm gonna sit down and get my breathing back before I tackle these stairs, which I think started right over there. We'll see. All right, break's over. Let's tackle these stairs. I think this is the stairs. I've never been on this trail before, so this is the first for me. This is not the stairs. It just gets steep here. Somebody said it's muddy and very slippery as well. For there. And it looks like I may need my hands free. Alright. Made it to the top of that. That was steep. I'm a little dizzy. So I'm gonna look for a good place to take a break. Oh, maybe this tree stump. This looks good. Nope. It's hollow. Not sitting on that. Maybe we'll get right up there. Looks like it levels out again. Here's a bench. Good, how are you?
Morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Real good, thanks. This is a nice little view here. Drops off pretty steep there. Nice little bench. I'm gonna take a break and then we'll go. All right, moving on. Had a nice little break there. Got my breathing under control. That's good. It is pretty slippery here. Nice views all around. You can see where people have been slipping. It's a cue to slow down, watch where you step. And these must be the infamous stairs people talk about. Oh yeah. Starts out mild enough. Oh man. I definitely need to exercise more often. Ooh. Almost fell. Oh, here's a good view. And this is a good place to stop and take a break. Let my heart rate get back to normal and catch my breath. All right, let's continue on. We'll see how many stairs I can do without being able to breathe again. That's a big one. Oh, that's a beautiful view. Good view of Diamond Head there. That's cool. And break time. It's pretty muddy at the top here. Near the top. Very slick. Even in drought conditions, the water stays here. More stairs. Exciting, exciting stuff. So more stairs. Muddy stairs. Slippery stairs. Tall stairs. Small stairs. Stairs of every shape, size, and color. Well, different color. They're all kind of brown, muddy. But a lot of stairs, regardless. Or is it irregardless? I don't even know anymore. But the stairs just keep going. And going. And going. And going. But man, are these views beautiful. More stairs.
Yeah, I mean, we used to have water.
The view from the top is pretty amazing. I was gonna fly my drone, but it's way too windy. I have to say, going down is way more treacherous than going up. And it is very muddy and slippery. I've seen a couple of people fall already, and I'm doing my best not to fall. Such a beautiful view though, amazing. I'm on my way out. You can see the amount of work that they're doing to restore this back to its natural state. You see where all the flags are? That's where new stuff has been planted. This is Restoration Site 6. Aloha Tree Alliance, if you wanted to go check them out. Well, I made it out. Got about a half-mile-ish walk back to where I parked. So I'm walking with my shoes off so I don't wear out the tread, because as these did super good with the grip, and I don't want to lose that by walking on the concrete with them. Thanks for tuning in.